Well, hello and welcome to Owen Cooking Channel. So today we're doing a really simple ramen explosion. I call them ramen bombs because when you're in the backcountry and you go backpacking, they have a lot of calories and they're super lightweight, and you can add whatever you want to them to make it a little bit more of a substantial meal. Right now what I'm working with is I have some chicken that I've pounded out and seasoned. The oven preheated to 450, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there right now, just so that it can kind of bake for about 15-20 minutes while I'm kind of putting together the rest of the stuff. Okay, I've got what's left of a red onion, I've got a red bell pepper, I've got some garlic, sesame oil, and then our ramen. So make sure whenever you're using sharp stuff and hot stuff in the kitchen that a parent knows that you're doing that. Just, to keep an eye on you. All right, so I like to chop off the top and then grab all that stuff out of there and either put it in the disposal or put it in the trash. But try to use as much of it as you can. Like, I'll still use this top ring. I'll just take everything else out of it so that you're not wasting any food. All right, I know some of you go a little crazy with the knife, but we're gonna try to stay safe because right now is not a good time to go to the emergency room. So now I've got a nice little pile of beautiful veggies. I'm gonna heat up some sesame oil because that goes really well with Asian food. There, I'm gonna put some garlic in there because garlic is the best thing in the world. Look how pretty! Oh, and there's my dog. She comes in to help. It started sizzling a little bit. So that's when you start getting those smells, and it's gonna feel kind of like you're cooking, actually. You guys are doing great. I'm very proud of you, whatever you're making. I've got veggie broth. Hi again. Did you miss me? This is working a lot better than I thought I was going to. Once the noodles softened a little bit, I just broke them up, wishing that I had something green to put in there because green things are good for you. The chicken is looking fabulous. She pretty. So I'm gonna just transfer this. Boop. Turn off the oven because I don't need that anymore. I'm gonna turn down my noodles too because I don't want them getting mushy. Ooh la la. I will burn my tongue for you guys. Straight from the pan because I'm an adult and I can do that.